Just relaxing right where we are. There's no place to go, no thing to do. We have arrived. Right here in this sacred space, on holy ground, right where you are. Breathe into the truth that God is here. That all love is available to you in this moment. So like a child on Christmas morning, or getting on a plane, or having a birthday, you step right up and get it. With zeal, with enthusiasm. We just say yes. Yes, let me feel it. Thank you. Wow. As we inhale and exhale, we consciously set aside any stress or strain, overthinking, conflict, anything that we're ready to let go of. We allow ourselves to detach from it. We can be present to it, but we're not holding on. We may see it or experience it, but we're not recreating it. We let go of telling the story or bringing it back over and over again. We let go of the rehearsing. I'm only here for God. I let go of any addictive patterns, mind, body, spirit, known or unknown to me, that rehearse anything I no longer consciously choose to prosper with. I prosper God ideas, peace, love, harmony. Everything else, I give it the light touch. I become one with the flow of life. And I trust. I trust the principles, the practice. I trust in the source of my being. I trust in my true nature. I trust in the flow of life. I trust in divine wisdom, knowing this wisdom, this intelligence is all around me. So I call it forth and I pick it up. As I enter into the ease of living in the flow of life. We breathe into this practice and let it have its way within our being in the sacred silence. the sanctuary we are sitting in, the sanctuary we are broadcasting from, has been known for years and years and years as silent unity. The number of prayer services, the power of the moments of silence, the 24-hour vigils for World Day of Prayer, the 11 a.m. prayer services, and all of the sacred activities that have been held in this sacred space and held on these grounds and held in the name of silent unity for over 100 years are present in this now moment to bless you. This silence is so full. It is so prayed up. I invite you to hold anything that is in your heart in prayer right here and right now, knowing the power of this prayer, moving through those that came before us, moving through the very walls, the very foundation of this sanctuary, both physically and spiritually. That power is moving in and through your life, your heart, your body, your health, your wealth, your wellness, your service, your compassion, your prayer, right here and now. And so it is.